Take a ride in the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, one owner, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, heated and cooled front seats, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, fog lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.